Hello, my name is Gustav Kinas and I am the product manager for Kinas Medical. And today I want to show you how to fill your Magnetolith with distilled water. I just unpacked my Magnetolith here and it is asking me to fill the device with water. To fill the Magnetolith with water, we'll need a water bag, distilled water, the overflow hose, and a container for the overflow hose to fill into. Step one is to fill the water bag with distilled water to the label. So now that you have your water bag here filled, you want to try to get as much air out of the hose here as possible. The end of this connector here is a little nozzle. So if you go to your sink or a plant, you can either press the little nozzle in here, or you can just press it into the sink here as well and let gravity do all the work and get as much of the air out of this hose as possible. Air in the bag up here is fine. You just don't want any in the hose down here. If you don't have an IV pole, you can also just hold it. You want to make sure that you're holding it above the system. So with the water bag filled and the air out of the hose, connect the overflow hose and have a container where it can overfill into. After the overflow hose has been connected, connect the water bag. With the overflow hose connected, and the water bag connected, press OK. As the system is filling, the water will flow out of the overflow hose. Let it continue to 100%. Once it reaches 100%, we will disconnect the overflow hose first. To disconnect the overflow hose, just push on the tab to pull it out, and then we will disconnect the water bag. To disconnect the water bag, push on the tab, and it pops out here as well. With the overflow hose and the water bag disconnected, press OK. The system is now operational. Final step that you want to do too is that you want to take the water bag here, and you do want to empty all of the water, unused water here into the sink. Take the cap off, drain it, and press the nozzle as well, and then get all the water into the bag so you can drain it. I like leaving the cap off so that it completely dries. Over time, the bag, if you keep the water in there, you'll have algae growing in there, and we definitely don't want that to get into the system. As well as the bag might yellow a little bit over time. You can put your finger in there and feel if there's any residue. If there's residue, definitely clean it out or consider getting a new water bag from us. Again, my name is Gustav. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us here at Kinas Medical. We're always here to assist you as well.